Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a smoothie which is healthy for you, so please give this a thumbs up if you tried it and you liked it. So yeah guys, and also yes, I am in my pajamas. So yeah, and I am wet because I was doing the dishes and I went. So yeah, on to the next. The first ingredient you're going to need is an apple. The next ingredient is strawberries. The next ingredient is bananas, and mine are frozen, but that is okay because we're going to blend it all in, and the blender will, and yes, I will be using the blender by myself. I have the house all to myself now. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Just don't want to get things in your way. Hey guys, the next ingredient you're going to need is, you can use orange juice, grape juice, or you can use this. It is Green Machine. It is really good. Like, it's one of those, it's naked, which makes the thing very good. No sugar added. That's the amazing part. And this is really good. I just can't, oh my god, this is just really good. For me, it's really good. You guys don't have to. Like I said, you can put orange juice or grape juice. But not apple juice because that has a lot of sugar in it. Like a lot. Or probably a little bit more. Wait, why am I going to do that? So yeah guys, and it is morning. On to the next ingredient is, the next thing you're going to need is something to cut stuff on, unless you just don't want it. And I have a shaped strawberry, which is really cute. I like that. So yeah, if you don't, you just, I guess, chop. I don't know. You don't have to do the same as me, I guess. You don't. Okay, the next ingredient is a knife. It says cheese, which is pretty cool too. And also, if you are little and do not know how to use a knife, ask an adult to do this, because the ick. Like, my sister has cut her nail before, cut herself. Like, my mom has cuts everywhere because of this. Well, not everywhere, but everywhere, like on her fingers, because, like, oh my god, these are very dangerous. Just like, see that? And then the other side, you don't see it. That's crazy. Well, you kind of. Oh yeah, you kind of. Next thing you're gonna need is something to put it in, of course. Next thing you're gonna need is a blender, which the blender is all the way over there, so yeah. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to want to do is get your apple and cut it. And make sure you take the thing out if you can. Like, I can with my hand, but sometimes you have to use like things. I've never gotten a cut by this, so let's not let this be the first. Hopefully, yes, got in. Oh, dang it. Okay, this one has seeds, and this one doesn't, so I'm gonna. And if you still have leftover, you can eat it. Unless you don't like apples. If you are allergic to any of this stuff, do not use it. Make sure you ask a parent if you don't know what you're allergic to. Make sure you ask a parent. Okay, well that's done now. Cut it into pieces. I hate this because this isn't, like, there's a humongous piece. Okay guys, I'll be back until I cut this. After you are done cutting, as you can see, they are big pieces. You're going to want to put that inside. It does not really matter if it's really humongous like these. It can only be as big as these, because if you make it even bigger, then it will probably take up a lot of space. So yeah. Some of them are actually smaller. Actually, no, they are actually all the same. God. Oh, yeah, except this one. This one's a square. And that one. But the rest are all good. Okay. Then you're going to want... I have this... I already... my strawberries are already sliced. It comes like that. My strawberries are already sliced. Sorry guys, I have to go take that. Sorry about that guys. I have no idea what that was. Like, they just called me and then they asked for my brother and he was like, okay, bye. I said, no, he's not here. And he's like, okay, bye. He's like, okay, bye. Okay, on to the next thing, which was pretty weird. That happens to me a lot, literally. Like, someone calls me, yeah. I'm like, hello. Hello? 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 And I'm like, yeah, no, bye. 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 Just wait. There we go. It's a little brighter here, hopefully. So, yeah. Thing you're going to add. You can, if you have not cut in your, mine are already cut, like I said. See, they're already cut. Add that. I'm going to add 2 of these. And there, because we need space for the flame. Okay, then I'm going to put this right back in there. Oh. Then you're going to want your banana slice. I'm going to get a little one since I don't have enough room no more. Or big humongous ones. Oh, I can cut it, yeah. There we go. You can put another one. I guess. Hey. Oh. There we go. Oh, no. Okay, I cannot fit that one. There we go. I'm going to wash my hands and then pour in the thing. That thing. Oh, I missed a step. You're going to need milk instead of juice and all that stuff. You can use milk too. I would use milk. I'm going to use milk. So yes, I'm going to wash my hands and do every single thing, and then I'm going to, and I'll be back and then we'll try it. Okay, so this is how it looks like right there. Right now, it looks like that. Like, so let's go. Okay, so I'm going to pour in the milk. You do not need milk. If you have milk, use it, but you can use other juices. So, yeah. Okay, then you're gonna, if you have the same one as me, then you would know how it is. If you don't, then you have no idea what I'm doing then. Okay. There we go. I couldn't fit them all. Make sure do not blend it by yourself if you have no idea what you're doing. Because I'll be right back and I'll see you. I know it's a little crooked. I'm going to get some help too so it doesn't go. Okay, so bye. I mean, well, I'll still be here, but you know, time to blend. Okay guys, I got it. All of this. and it is big. And it is hard to open. I'll be back and get some help maybe. I might get help because last time when I said I was going to get help, I actually did it all by myself because I tried again. Oh, it moved. Yes! Oh, holy crap, this is a lot. And if it is chunky, pour some water. Put a little bit of water. Put water and blend it again, and then it won't be chunky. It's not chunky. Oh my god. That is so good. Oh. You guys literally need to try this. I'm gonna drink this every single day. This is really good. Hope you guys like this video. Bye.